Look at my Gumball machine. Orange. Yummy.
Hey, Alex! Is that a bubblegum machine? Can I have one?
Sure.
I've got a white one.
Enjoy, Daddy.
Thank you. I'm gonna go back and play.
Oh no! Oh no, my bubblegum machine.
Oh no! I'm so sorry, Alex. Let me fix it.
Can't be fixed.
Oh no! I can't fix it.
What do we do now?
Don't worry, I will think of solution. I'll be right back.
Let me see if I can fix this.
Alex, I found a solution. Hope tape will fix it.
Tape, great idea.
Okay, all good now. I have an idea. We can eat it from the floor.
No, it's dirty.
I think there's one more solution. I'll be right back.
I hope it's something good.
Hi, I would like to order a bubblegum machine, please. Is it possible to deliver it today? Perfect! Alex, cheer up. I have a present for you. Did you hear the bell? Come with me. Wow!
Wow.
Let's take it inside the house.
Thank you so much, Daddy.
I hope you'll enjoy it. This is the biggest bubblegum machine I've ever seen.
Yeah, time to open it. This looks great.
Here's some bubblegum. Let's fill it up.
But this is not enough Gumball.
I'll get some more, don't worry.
Let's test it. It's green. I hope we'll get some more Gumballs.
Now I have Gumballs, but first I have a joke for Alex. Let's try it on. It's time for a joke for Alex. Alex, help! Help, Alex! Alex, help! Help! Alex, help! Look, Alex!
Stop! Stop!
No, Alex, it was a joke. It's me, Daddy. I have more bubblegum. Look.
Thank you, Daddy.
Okay, let's go and fill our machine up.
Yeah, let's go.
It's time to fill it up.
This looks amazing.
Perfect. I love it too.
Time to get some bubble gum. It's green.
Alex, stop. That's too much.
I'm just having fun.
It's lemon.
It's orange. Press donuts. Want any trouble.
Stop immediately.
Uh-oh.
Balls are not allowed on the road.
Oh no!
You've blocked traffic. Alex, you need to collect the balls immediately.
Okay, I will.
I'm watching you.
Aha!
Okay, this time you get away with a warning, but next time I'll take your car away.
Aha!
Oh no, I have to run.
Stop right now! I'm confiscating this, Dasha, because you are breaking the rules.
I need to get my car back.
Ooh.
He likes donuts. Oh, I'm genius. I know what to do. Donut, fresh donut.
Ooh, what? Someone said donuts?
Would you like to buy your favorite donuts?
Yes. Can I get one donut, please?
Sure, $10.
Oh no, I forgot my wallet in the car. Probably I'll get it next time, okay?
You can get all the donuts for that car.
You know, I've changed my mind. Eating so much donuts is not healthy.
Oopsie.
I got you! Selling donuts is not allowed here. If you want to return your car, you have to learn safety rules first, okay?
I'll learn all the rules, I promise.
That's better, but not cheating anymore. You can have your car back, but never break the rules again, okay?
Thank you, officer. Yes!
You again?
Forgive me, please. I learned the rules of the road, so you can go. Always follow the rules of the road and never break them. I'm finally free from school. Dad should be here in a minute.
Oh, it's 3 p.m. Time to pick up Steffi from the school. Such a lovely day today. What happened with my car? Oh no! The wheel of the car flew off. I have to call Steffi that I can't pick her up.
Huh? Where's Dad? Oh, my phone is calling. Hello? Hi, Dad.
Hello, Steffi. Sorry, I can't pick up you after school.
Oh no, why?
I have a problem with my car.
Sorry to hear. No worries, I will go home alone.
Travel safe. See you there. Hello? The wheel of the car flew off.
Such a long road, but I'm almost home. I'm finally home. I'm home. Wait. I'm home alone. Yay! The first thing I will do is play video games. Yes! Wait a second.
When you come home after school, first do homework, then play a game.
Yes, Dad. I'll do my homework first. Time to do my homework. Alright, I'm finishing my homework first. A circle, a square, and the last one, a triangle. Wow! Finished. Time for some food.
Let's see if anybody home. Let's ring the doorbell.
The doorbell. Let's check who's there.
Open the door.
It's a stranger.
Please open. Steffi, please don't open the door to the strangers.
I'm not opening the door.
They are not opening. So I can open it myself. The door is locked. They're too smart.
It's time to eat. Unhealthy or healthy? Let me think. Unhealthy, of course. I love chips.
When you come home after school, eat healthy food.
That is right. I have to eat healthy food. What should I have? Watermelon, banana, pineapple, strawberry, melon, orange, apple, dragon fruits. I want the apple. Yummy.
Yes! The car wheel is fixed. I can go home now. Let's check how Steffi doing. The door is locked. That's good. Let's go inside. Hey Steffi, here you are.
What took you so long?
I had a big problem with my car.
Oh no, I hope it's good now.
Yes. Are you gaming?
Yes.
Did you do your homework?
Yes.
Did you eat healthy food?
Yes.
Did you not open the door to the strangers?
No, I didn't open the door for strangers.
Great job, Steffi. Enjoy your game.
Let's play together then.
Oh, with the pleasure. Wow! Today I use sticker art to teach kids good habits. Wake up, wake up, wake up.
Oh, look at this, guys. Let's go.
Whoa.
Game on. Let's go. Dasha, Alex, Steffi, let's follow the clue.
Ooh, what's there?
Let's go.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Ooh.
What should we do about it?
Oh, look!
Let's follow the path.
Oh. Oh, I have a better idea. Let's make a cool design. Looks cool. It looks so cool. Do you like your new car design?
I like it so much. Thank you, Steffi.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. I have to wash it. All clean. Oh no, let's fix this. Done.
I want to watch TV. No TV? Hilarious. Nice.
Ivan, that's enough TV for today.
Yeah, right. Move away, come on. Hey, no way!
Let's have a break from TV, Ivan.
No, I have a better idea. Hey, come here. I'm not a ghost, Seffi. Are you?
No, Ivan, I'm not a ghost.
Let's go in then.
What is that? What happened here? Ah.
Thank you, Dad, for such a creative day.
Yo, welcome!
I don't know where
I don't know where is he. It's your fault.
No, your fault. No,
Guys,
your
stop
fault.
it. Maybe Alex is just playing hide and seek. Let's check it out. You go first.
You go first. You go first. and then
Okay,
you-
guys, I will go first, okay? Let's go find Alex. Alex, are you here? Yes. That was easy peasy, but Alex is not here.
explore the second door. Alex, are you here? Let's go find Alex. Oh no! Shark! It was so scary, but Alex is not here.
Let's break the next door. Okay, fine. I'll play a little and then I'll find Alex. Let's throw some water balloons. Wait, I need to find Alex.
Let's explore the yellow door. Alex, are you here? It's Alex crying. Ew. Ooh, yuck. Maybe Alex is here? Oh no, what is this? Alex, where are you? Shh.
This is the last chance to find Alex. Let's find Alex. Where are you? Alex. What is this? A poop? I don't need that. What's this? Spider? What is that? Alex, where are you? Whoa, a mask! That's what I need. Let's dive in. Alex! Hooray, I finally found you!
Hooray, Alex, we finally found you!
Yes! Woo! Yes!
Alex, we found you!
Oh, not again! Alex!